Hello, 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 and welcome to Money Sprinkles. I am so excited to have you guys here today. If you haven't done it yet, please make sure you go out there, like, and subscribe to my channel. Again, my channel is just growing, 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 and it's all thanks to you. I am trying to build a community of nothing but excellence, and I truly appreciate you subscribing to my channel. Today's video is going to be about Alliant Federal Credit Union. This credit union is outstanding. It's one of the largest credit unions in the U.S. And I definitely want to sit here and chat with you guys about it because I find it to be very interesting. What I do want to share with you though is a few data points ahead of the game, and then a few at the end of the video. So make sure you stay tuned and you watch all the way through so you don't miss out on any of the data points that I'm going to share with you. Some of the data points is that Alliant definitely pulls from TransUnion. Um, it does require proof of income. I know that's like a bummer for some people, but it does require it. It also checks the checks systems for when you apply for a checking or savings account. Um, they do look for a banking relationship, so they are looking at you for to make sure that you have a checking, a savings account before you start applying for their credit cards, their personal loans, HELOCs, auto loans, all that good stuff. One great thing is that they do have what they call the double pulls. So if you happen to open up a bank account with them and you apply for a credit card, you have 30 days to use that same pool for an auto loan. So that way you don't have to get another hard pull on your TransUnion. So that's one of the great things that they do have. They also look into your debt to income ratio. They want to make sure that you are able to pay um, back your credit card payments, your auto loan payments, personal loans, HELOCs. So they definitely look at your debt to income ratio. And another great data point is that the credit card started about 10K. Okay. Stay tuned because we're definitely going to talk about their Visa signature card that has some outstanding perks. Okay. Let's get started with the membership. Membership, pretty much anybody could join Alliant. And if you cannot join because of you don't work at one of these organizations or your company is not listed, all you have to do is apply to Foster Care to Success, which is FC2S. You pay $5, it automatically comes out of your account, one time payment, and you are into the Alliant Federal Credit Union. So it's a really good credit union to be in. So let's go over some of the things that they offer. Okay. Talking about their savings and their checking account, they currently have a high rate savings account. They offer a high rate checking account. So as I was saying earlier, Alliant Federal Credit Union has a savings account and they currently have 2.5 APY. And they currently have a high rate checking account, no monthly service fees, no overdraft, no minimum balance requirements, and they give you back $20 a month in ATM fees and rebates. So that's pretty good overall. They also have a kids savings account and they have a teen checking account, which I am a very uh, uh, I love to have teen checking accounts because my kids have had one since they were 13. So I believe it's an excellent way to start your teenager on learning on how to deal with banking and checking accounts. Okay, so they do offer that. First thing we're going to talk about today is going to be the Visa Platinum Credit Card. The Visa Platinum Credit Card is currently offering a 0% introductory rate for 12 months, which is outstanding if you want to do a balance transfer. Um, they currently have no annual fees. They have a balance. Rewind. The balance transfer fee is 2% of the amount transferred, which is not bad, or $5 minimum. That is not bad at all, considering most of the balance transfers are between 3 and 5%. So that's really good. Um, they actually offer no annual fees and this highlight right here, generous credit lines. That's the best right there. They have low standard APRs and they have the EMV chip for where you could just tap. Okay, you could use it with Google Pay, Apple Pay, all that other good stuff. This is one of the greatest credit cards. Um, The other credit card that they offer is the Alliant Visa Signature credit card. And this one, oh, it's actually a cashback Visa Signature card. And this one right here has unlimited cashback with no categories to track. You don't have to sit there trying to figure out what gives you points, what doesn't. Pretty much you earn 2.5 cash back on your first $10,000 of qualifying purchases. It doesn't have any transaction fees, rates as low as 15.24, no annual fees. Again, I love Alliant Credit Union. Uh, they have two different tiers when it comes to the rewards program. Like we said earlier, the 2.5 cash back on the first 10,000 and unlimited 1.5 cash back on all other qualifying eligible purchases. And then tier two is once you have hit that 10,000, then you go into the unlimited 1.5 cash back on all qualifying eligible purchases, which is good. I think it's a pretty good deal. Another thing that they offer is this awesome auto loan. Okay. And guess what? They even approved Teslas. Right now, their lowest rate on a new vehicle is 4.85. That is really good. A used vehicle is currently starting at 5.20, and a vehicle between 10 to 15 years at 8.20, which is outstanding. Some places are going up as high as 18% on auto loans. And they definitely approve. They have the Tesla loans as well. That is something that a lot of people have been interested in. Um, People were not approving the Tesla loans, but they do, and they actually start as at 5.19 APR. They go as far out as 84 months. So 84 months means that it's a longer loan. However, you'll get a smaller a longer loan payment, but a smaller payment. Get it? I don't know why I'm tongue tied today. Um, and then you could put your autopilot and your loan on autopilot with auto payments. It's really good program if you want to get that Tesla that everybody would love to have. They also offer personal loans. Currently, they have personal loan rates starting at 10.49 for 12 months, and they go as far as 12.49% for 60 months for the annual percentage rate. You can use it for loan consolidation, home expenses. No collateral required for these unsecured loans. The loans go up to $50,000. And as I stated, they go as far out as 60 months. The other thing is awesome same day deposit into your account, no prepayment penalties, loan approval and APR based on payment method, credit worthiness, and ability to repay. That right there, ability to repay, is a key word too. That debt to income ratio is very important when it comes to Alliant Federal Credit Union. So my last nugget is that one credit card that we talked about. Where is it? With the generous credit limits. Well, and the other one, the Visa Signature currently goes up to $100,000. So if you are able to get that, just make sure that make sure that TransUnion credit score is top notch before you apply, and let me know how it goes and what your high credit limit with Alliant is. Okay. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching my video. We'll talk soon. Oh, don't forget to like and share.